Greek style.
Απλά ήθελα να κλείσω ένα 50 πέτρες. Πήγα τώρα. Σε μια ώρα.
Hey folks! Good morning. Let me introduce you what's going on. I'm in Greece, and today I'm going to be a photographer for a race nearby Athens. So I'll show you kitchen inside. Let's go!
Σε ένα λεπτό θα παρακαλέσω σκουπίδια να μην αφήσουμε στο βουνό. 4, 3, 2, 1, παιδιά, καλό αγώνα, καλή επιστροφή, θα σας περιμένουμε. Καλή επιτυχία, μπράβο. Καλό αγώνα σε όλους, παιδιά. Με υπομονή και σύνεση. Θα προσέχουμε τα πρασάκια που έχουν εργασία και τις χώρες.
Doggy! No. Nice view. Oh, nice. There are a lot of marks. Wow. This is so beautiful. In a Greek style. A bit messy. Let's move on. I'm going backward this house. And I'm so surprised because this gate is closed. The chain. Yep, it's definitely closed. So, problem solved. I like trail running because look at these views. This nature, oh, that's so adorable. And almost always 99% of trail run competition or races making in special places with the amazing views, or sometimes through the culture spots. But anyway, it's always so interesting. This is empty, but in general I see in Greece, in the mountains, a lot of tanks like this, because during the summertime they have a lot of fires, forest fires. Ukraine. 2 weeks? Yeah, just about 2 weeks, and going to go today and Sunday, yeah? Yep. So today in the evening I'm going to go in Meteora, that way. Yeah, because in Meteora, nice mountains and a lot of... on the way also, I'm not going to go straight forward to the Meteora, I'm going to stay Thermopylae, nearby. I found also spot...
Thermopylae is not near Meteor.
Yes, but on the way. On the way, yes. I mean that...
Thermopylae and then...
Yes. I mean that I'm not going to go just straight forward, you know, like when people usually have just 2 days or short vacation, they go straight forward to the particular place and so on. But I'm free and I could go and stay whatever. Kalimera.
Good morning.
Okay. Yeah, this is a good point. Okay, I think that's enough. Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, Papa. That's so beautiful. So my plan, come back to the finish line, catch some photos here, and that's all. This is kind of a shortcut through the city instead of going through the mountains as I go before.
My mother wants to follow you on
Yeah,
Instagram.
no problem.
She likes very much to take photos.
Nice? Good. Listen.
Hey.
You're welcome. Delicious.
Ναι, απλά ήθελα να κλείσω τα 50 πέτρες. Πήγα το κλείσα σε μία ώρα. Λέω μάλλον το ξεχάσα.
Βαγγέλης, συγχαρητήρια! Βάλτος ο πρώτος μας!
Μπράβο ρε,
That's all for today. It's time to go home.